Want to use OnlyOffice much faster? There are keyboard shortcuts to create and edit documents without a mouse. These yellow squares tell you the correct button for certain action. For example, Alt-P would print the document out. Alt-Q would open the instant chat. Alt-AN would open the list of document languages. To display the shortcuts, simply press Alt on Windows and Option on Mac. There are dozens of shortcuts for various actions. They help you work with a document. For example, Control-F always pops up the search bar and you can find a phrase in your text. Shortcuts help with navigation. Imagine you scroll down a text file with dozens of pages and want to quickly get back to the first page. Simply press Control-Home. Shift-N selects content from cursor to end of line. Control-X cuts out the selection. To undo the last action, press Control-Z. Formatting text is super easy with shortcuts. Select a word and press Control-B to make it bold. Control-I for italic. Control-U for underline. Control-K inserts a hyperlink. Visit Help Center to reveal more shortcuts and work in OnlyOffice as a pro.